We're gonna start today's vlog by exchanging some money. I've got some USD. We're gonna exchange it to Thai baht, and that's a very easy task. Well, it's not. It's kind of a burden because this money is not my money. I took it from a friend that he is struggling to exchange it because there are some signs, as you can see, on these USD notes. And in Thailand, when you bring the money, please bring it clean, because if there are signs, stamps, such things on it, and they are old notes, you're gonna have problem while exchanging. So I know a place in Sukhumvit, usually they exchange it, no problem. We're gonna try our luck, and I'm trying to help my friend to exchange these notes, and hopefully it will work. So this place is located in Sukhumvit 5. The rates are good, and usually they open till late night. Just in case you are around Sukhumvit, you want to exchange money and you have such problems, then try your luck. So today we have 31.89 for the USD, and Euro 37.0, and pound 42.38. Well, that wasn't complicated, was it? So if you have such notes with stamp, signings, don't bring them, but just in case you have it with you while you are in Thailand, and especially in Bangkok, you can exchange it here. And sometimes if it's really in a very bad situation, your notes, they can take it, but they will give you the rate a little bit lower than the usual. Now, carrying a lot of cash is not a good idea. You are going to get confused while you are paying 500, 100, 50 baht, 10 baht, whatsoever. So why don't you try this new QR code application, which is available also for tourists. You don't have to have a Thai bank account, a local Thai bank account. Let me explain it to you. It's very easy. You can go into Kasikorn Bank, K Plus Bank, which is a Thai bank, and deposit as much as you want. After that, download the application, tag Thai, and you will have the option to pay by QR code. It will make your life very easy. Now, once you are going to leave Thailand and you still have a balance in your account, you can go back to the bank and get your money in cash. Now, the limit is 100,000 Thai baht, which is around 3,000 USD if you want to deposit money in the bank. So just in case you don't want to carry a lot of cash, then you can use this application. And yes, it will make your life very easy in Thailand. Alright, now the second thing I'm going to talk about is something happening, and it's very annoying around Sukhumvit area. So you better be careful. Now let's say you are walking in the area between Asok and Nana, or Sukhumvit 23 till Sukhumvit 4. And these people, the annoying people, are walking day and night around this area, especially after sunset. So what they do, they stop you while you are walking by pointing to your belly or your eyes or your hairs. Every time they have different stories, but at the end you will get scammed. For example, they tell you that your belly is big and they have a solution for you to get a six-pack, and they show you pictures of their brother before he was so fat and now he has a six-pack. So if you are into this conversation, they will take you to the 7-Eleven, they will show you a medicine, something to drink, and that thing will make you to have a six-pack or get fit. That's a very big scam. The same story they have for your eyes, for your hairs. The only thing they want is to drag you to the 7-Eleven and make you buy products, and it's complete scam. Now, I don't understand if these products are their products and they get commissions, or the story is totally something different. But in both ways, don't get dragged to this conversation, ignore them. And these days they are a lot around Sukhumvit area, like a complete gang. So now we are going to enter a 7-Eleven, not to get scammed, but this is very important. Although we are in the rainy season, but it's super hot, and having what? Where is it? This is it. Thank you. So, enter the 7-Eleven to buy the things that you need, not to get scammed. Wow, look at this place. Really beautiful. First in the world. Bradbury. Really? I don't know. What is this? A massage shop?
Yes, massage shop.
Really? And a coffee shop?
Yeah, also the coffee shop.
So what's the concept? Like you can have a massage there and have a...
We'll show you the video.
Yeah. I was just passing by Sukhumvit 61 and this is a new place. I don't know. I cannot give you my opinion, but once I try, I will tell you what is it like. Do you see, guys, there are chargers almost in every public transportation, just in case you want to charge your phone, your laptop, any kind of batteries that goes with USB chargers, then they are available almost in every public transportation. That's a really good thing. Maybe lots of you, they don't realize, because most of the time the public transportations are busy, crowded, but if you look around, you can find chargers. Sometimes you might need them. So we've just got our vitamin omega-3 and I'm gonna tell you something about this matter. So I see a lot of tourists buying supplements, vitamins while they are walking, buying from the street vendors on the streets. That's not a good idea. If you want to buy such things, then buy it from places like the one we did, the booths. Everything is certified. Even you can make a membership and you don't have to worry once you get the things in your body. So that's a very important thing. Don't buy these things from the streets, especially these things are under the sun for a long, long time. $200 Thai baht. I need a swimming shirt. I don't know if these are the proper ones, but they are only 200 Thai baht. Something funky. You see, you cannot find good things all the time. That's why these promotional items, you have to check it from time to time. Sometimes you are lucky, sometimes you are not. Not bad. How much? 3 years warranty. What happens if you travel overseas? This one is nice too, but white. Oh, check, this one is very nice. It seems heavy duty. You know how many luggages I have? But sometimes, because we travel a lot. How much is this one?
How much is that?
The small one, right?
DJ brochure for
Oh,
4,590 baht.
and this one?
Yes, in the sale price for you 3,490 baht.
This is heavy duty?
Yeah.
So this week is my last week in Bangkok. On the weekend, I'm leaving to Phuket. I'm gonna check Phuket in the low season, in the rainy season. A lot of you guys are worried what is the situation in Phuket, especially if they are traveling in this season. Also, I'm gonna show you some budget hotels these days, which are 4 to 5 star, and they are very affordable, starting from 30 USD per night. So if you are interested about Phuket, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section and I'm gonna answer it to you once we travel to Phuket on the weekend. This is the worst 7-Eleven that you can buy something in Thailand. The 7-Eleven that is located inside MBK. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Almost dark and mission accomplished. You can see today we were lucky again. I always mention about the weather. I think it's gonna rain very soon. But as I said, we were lucky to do everything we want to do for today. So my purpose of today's vlog was to pass all this information to you and this lively picture from Bangkok, especially concerning the money and these annoying people that you should avoid. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe for more from Live Love Thailand.